Tired of hunting for the italic button in Google Slides? Learn the fastest way to italicize text and never waste time again. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click and how to verify it worked. Let's dive in. So you've got your Google Slides presentation open, and you're looking at a slide that has some text you want to emphasize. Maybe it's a title, a quote, or just a word you want to stand out. That's where italicizing comes in. Now, I've seen a lot of people fumble around with this. They click around the toolbar, they right-click the text, they open the format menu, and it takes forever. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let me show you the cleanest, most direct path. First things first, make sure your presentation is open. You should be looking at one of your slides right now with the text box you want to edit. If you don't have any text on your slide yet, just go ahead and click inside a text box, or create a new one by clicking the text box icon in the toolbar. Type something out. Anything will work for practice. All right, now here's where the magic starts. You need to select the text you want to italicize, and this is probably the most common place where people trip up. If you just click on the text box, the whole box is selected, but that's not what we want. We need to highlight just the specific words or letters. So click right at the beginning of the text you want to change. Then hold down your mouse button and drag across the words. You'll see a blue highlight appear over the text as you go. That blue highlight is your confirmation that you've selected the right text. Let go of the mouse button once you've highlighted everything you want to italicize. Here's a pro tip from someone who's made this mistake 100 times. Make sure you haven't accidentally selected a space at the beginning or end of your words. It happens more often than you think, and it can mess up the spacing. Just double-check your highlight is exactly over the letters you want. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, once you've got your text selected perfectly, it's time to find the italic button. This is the step that trips most people up because they think it's hidden in some menu. But I promise you, it's right there in plain sight. Look up at your toolbar. That's the row of icons and buttons running across the top of your screen, just above the slide. You'll see a bunch of familiar options like the font name, the font size, and some formatting buttons. Right there, usually next to the bold button that has a capital B, you'll see a capital I. That's your italic button. It's that simple. Go ahead and click that I. Just one click. You'll notice the I might change color or get a little highlight around it, which means it's been activated. But more importantly, look at your selected text. It should immediately change to slanted letters. That's it. You've just applied italic formatting. Now, let's verify that it actually worked. Click somewhere else on the slide, away from your text. This deselects the text so you can see the final result clearly. Look at your text. Are the letters leaning to the right? If they are, congratulations, you did it correctly. If they don't look italicized, don't panic. Just click back on that text, reselect the word or phrase, and check the toolbar again. Make sure the I button is highlighted or active. Sometimes you accidentally click it twice, which turns it off again. So just give it another click and you should be good to go. And that's all there is to it. You've gone from hunting aimlessly for the italic button to applying italics in just a couple of seconds. The next time you need to emphasize a word or format a quote, you'll know exactly where to go. No more wasted time, no more frustration. Thanks for watching. If this helped you speed up your workflow even a little bit, that's a win in my book. Now go make those presentations look sharp.